tissues.
And then smell our partner's clothes.
Yes.
Let's go again, please. I pay.
Hi
guys! You're welcome to our channel. It's your girl Steph, and I'm back at it again. As you can see, Yini is not here with me. She will do a party with the boys. So today we are doing how do I say it? Things girls do, but they will not accept it. And then I have some pretty faces here. As you can see,
pretty.
from my right we have
Isiwa
and
Betty
Mamea.
and
Joa.
hello
okay, so not to waste time, let's just get right into
the
the
video.
okay, so please the voice okay, so let's start. Okay, so girls like wearing same bras like for a month or 2 weeks or 3 days or any day.
Yes.
Non-stop
it's true.
action.
So true. Like the whole week. A lady will wear one bra just because it's her favorite bra.
The boyfriend bought it for her.
Yes.
Make the
Hey, me
hello.
and crush.
Breast panels and
No,
Hey!
I'm
So
sure
you
Wow,
really
but we got that
prefer
sexy
bra.
brow.
Times two. When a guy, especially their crush, when they compliment them, they'll be like, thank you. Like for you, they're straight. Meanwhile, they are so happy.
Happy.
So that they are happy, they'll be like, thank you.
Hello.
Share.
Experience is the best
I
teacher.
tell you.
Okay, so this one is like kind of weird, but then it says girls use toilet papers as pad.
Yes, in critical situations, if you don't have a sanitary pad around, yes.
But we actually have girls who use it in place of sanitary.
People use Tamago.
I
I didn't say that.
Hey.
Okay, so I'll say that we eat popcorns that fall in our bras. Like when you're eating
It's true.
popcorn, then
Yeah,
you take
yeah,
off the-
yeah. You take it back and
Yes.
that thing by someone that's something.
That one day.
When our boyfriend say that an actor or a model with sports, we get jealous in the prettiest way.
It's true, but then they don't say it.
They don't. We don't.
You
say
be
it.
like, it's chill, but like, yes, the person is nice,
When
that
your-
thing.
When your boyfriend see the girl with the form and the shape and everything, and everyone's like, wow. Like, what's he trying to say? Okay, so yeah.
Okay, you record yourself like when you're sad.
I've done some before. I have a picture card.
Or when you are crying.
Yeah.
When you are
Yeah,
crying.
yeah. Like,
I have one.
sometimes you think that
Why?
you think that I'm crying and I'm videoing myself.
No,
After
but you
watch
actually
when
like-
you are happy
What is somebody
and you kind of watch it.
Nobody
and
will
you're
see
like,
my
what was wrong with me?
Yes.
But then
Oh,
in
yeah,
school, like, imagine being sad and then you just take your phone. Tell me how it feels. Favorite. And again. Tell me how it feels.
When you are
Something.
doing
Like you're sad and then you take your phone and you be crying. It's like most girls, that's
Yeah,
it.
that one there.
And then, okay, and then it's like girls normally make funny face when they are talking on phone somebody don't like.
Yes.
it's true. It's
Oh,
very,
that
one
is
is
so
very-
accurate.
yes.
It's like,
Yes.
very true.
it's like,
It's
you
like-
got in their call.
And sometimes we
Hello.
don't.
It's like
Before we
somebody you
answer
don't
your
like. It's like somebody you don't like. And the person's
Yes.
calling you paying.
And
Hey, baby, you have to see like
Maybe sister.
And the face, you be like,
And when somebody don't like us, you're like, ah, boy, we cry.
ah,
Then.
then-
What's wrong?
Let me close my eyes.
Just like they call you.
and maybe because you're not sleeping, you're somewhere enjoying
Yes.
yourself.
Oh, listen, it's not
Yeah.
about
The
how
person will call you, be like,
Just
oh,
a-
Charlie, this one,
Please, I'm
what's
busy.
up?
Life hard.
I'll call you back.
Okay, and then one is sometimes girls go and stand in front of the mirror and then they'll be like, hey, I'll be nice in my wedding dress. Okay, me, I don't think I've done some before, but then I know most girls would.
Yeah.
Yes, that one, yeah.
Okay, and I also got one I think we can repeat. It doesn't matter how good you be they are always jealous of that person.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey!
If somebody did it very
Yes.
nice,
Yes.
If you go next,
You see that you are not part.
okay, so girls don't like to wear the same clothes twice in a week, but they prefer to wear it to different places. Like maybe Monday, I'm going to the market and I'll wear it. She knows that she will not meet whoever. Yes, so
Yes,
she wear it, but she doesn't want to wear it that week or like twice in a week. You understand?
Yeah, I bet.
when our boyfriend see an actor or a model we get jealous in the most prettiest way possible.
Like,
They'll be like, oh, it's true.
it's true, but then deep down,
Especially, okay, so for me, this boy I like was like, wait, I was like, who's your celebrity crush? And then he was like, it's Moesha. I was like, so I see the form and everything. I was like, wow.
Life hard though.
I really like, wow.
it's hard though.
You know yourselves. I'm not jealous.
Okay, so they ask their friends, girls ask their friends several times if they are looking good in their outfit. Like, am I looking good?
Yeah.
Are you
that
sure?
one, yeah.
Before they
With
step
the
out.
heel fits with the dress or with the shoes.
Sometimes I even wear one heel and one shoe, and then
Yeah, you have to ask before you step out.
Yeah.
and that one day, it's because you can't go.
But
somebody
when someone
like-
asks them, oh, who just said, oh, I did it myself. I did it myself.
Oh yeah, that one I did
And
myself.
yes, and this
Then they'll be
thing
taking all the
sometimes,
credit.
sometimes
You know
when
how
they
to
get
dress it.
like braids, they'll be like, it's nice. So, oh, I even want to
You
wear
can't-
it.
it's
Yeah,
it's true. It's short.
I even want to.
When someone compliments them, oh, this is
I even want to.
Yeah. So,
Remove that. What are you with? Remove it.
I should forgive me.
That one is true.
No one has spoused you, please.
Remove it. Okay, so girls normally use their like give excuses in relation to their cramps. Like maybe when they call you, come and do this. Oh, I'm having cramps.
Yeah.
But they are lying.
Deep down, if you meet a girl, he says, she's having cramp.
She's
some
lying.
actually have cramps.
When a girl has cramps, don't tell you. It's a fact. Don't tell you. So please.
Yeah, unless they are close.
Yes.
Yeah,
Don't tell you.
Girls normally reuse their razors. Like
Oh yeah. Sometimes.
I'm not fat.
We are not fans. We are doing that.
We are not fat. We don't
We
do
don't even
that.
do that.
Okay, and some of us carry a large handbag because it looks trendy.
Nothing is inside though.
Nothing is
Hey,
I can give you what's inside papers.
Papers.
I have
And
my
lip
roommate.
gloss.
I have my roommate. She's the one to clean. Hey, there's this nice, but it's really nice. She says it's glass. No, it's just one book.
Girl, almost every girl has screenshots of maybe tweets or memes. They're just waiting for
a
a
perfect
time.
time.
Just
Oh,
it's true, that one there.
Oh, baby.
I have a lot of screenshots of normal pictures.
Oh, yes.
Lots of screenshots.
One time for the memes girls.
Oh,
Two
stop.
times for the memes girls.
Hey.
Okay, so girls like popping pimples. Like
Yes.
I have a
It's
sister
little
when
one.
she sees a pimple on your face, like, oh me patcho.
Yes.
Bridget. Oh for
I
sure.
hate it.
Myself.
I don't know. They just want.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know.
When I see it on your face,
you
you
want.
want to be like this. let me do it.
Okay, I thought that this is interesting. As much as we like to be clean and small, we don't really enjoy bathing.
Yes.
It's true.
Some
I
of
like
them.
Matter polish, oh.
Me, everybody can
It's
tell.
not that.
Listen,
If you're watching this and you
it's not
like
that
me,
you
I'm
don't
sorry.
bath though. You don't enjoy bath.
But
yes.
When you're going to bath, sometimes you feel so lazy, but
You know that when you're
Me,
that
eh,
bad
see,
thing.
this
Okay,
is about me.
so
Bathing
we
is
have to
better.
take a commercial. So, back to the commercial. So, what's next? Okay, so,
But bathing is a head though, and it's
but anybody who is around me can testify to that. Bath every time, like morning.
who bath
we
twice so that's why it's the
you bath though, but you like,
me going to
Like
the
a
bathroom
princess,
is a head
lazy.
though.
You feel lazy, but then you have to.
But me, I don't feel
because
lazy.
you're
Like
like
every
if
time.
you're a girl, you don't like bathing. It's not good.
Please, if you're
Hey,
nice,
please, she's
head
talking
though.
for herself. Please, she's talking for herself.
That's why.
Ella.
Okay.
Okay. Girls actually stalk their boyfriend's exes. Like
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes, like
And that's just exes.
So true. No,
Even their
And not
crush.
just exes, like their
Yes.
female friends.
Yes.
And wherever they tag in their
yes,
post,
and the body,
you
like
can check their pages too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Talking from experience.
Oh, I know what they do. I don't do that.
Okay,
Yeah.
so they have a special, girls have a special way of pulling their bra out without taking off their shirt.
Yes.
that one,
Hey,
yeah.
that one, yeah.
No,
Should
they
I
open the
No, they do it like this.
They'll do this, then they'll do this.
Once
They'll do
once
this.
you're in the way of send it.
Yes, very quick
Like
In
action.
case of emergency.
It's a secret code.
101.
Bra remover.
101. This one, yeah.
Okay, so girls normally have mood swings, especially when something bothers
So
them.
true, so
But then
true.
don't open up. That one.
So
yeah.
true.
Girls
Like
don't
you ask them, what
open
is
up.
wrong with you? Like nothing.
It's okay.
Nothing.
It's
They'll
okay.
not
Oh,
talk.
I'm fine. Oh,
It's not okay.
But you're not fine. Like,
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yeah,
It was a
No,
lot
no,
of
me,
things.
boo. I'm fine. You
And yeah, easy. Okay, so girls normally shave, but that will be seen. That
Yes,
very good.
especially when you're wearing strapless.
Yes.
You can say
Like-
that one.
Oh, me.
that you
Oh,
remove.
me.
I do it every week.
hey!
What can be?
Okay. We check out boys all the time. We know you are seeing us. And when we deny, we don't know you. We don't just know your name, but who your third cousin is married to. Do you get this?
Yeah,
Like
it's
we
true.
pretend we don't know you,
but then we
yes,
know,
We
like,
we
share.
both like
But you know that background investigation is already
Oh,
there.
that one, yeah.
This is small
Yes.
bag.
Because before you realize you like us or something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it's
you start
Then they'll start flexing the boy like.
Hey, she don't be small.
Yeah.
Talking from experience.
experience.
Okay, so
Maybe at the
this
best
is very, very interesting. Girls can take like 30 pictures. And then they'll just post one.
Yes, because that one.
Hey, that one, yeah. I'm a spec.
I'm a juice.
I'm a juice. I'm a beauty.
I'm a beauty.
If
I'm
the one
I'm a
spicy.
spec.
If you want crowd,
I'm
you
a
have to
spicy.
edit
Yes, share.
Maintaining
Snapchat.
beauty.
Snapchat.
Maintaining beauty.
This is Snapchat.
Okay, so whenever a girl says whatever, it doesn't mean whatever. She really wants you to like dive inside the
Yes,
matter.
like
See
never
it.
mind. But the people were home.
But she wants to listen. Oh,
Yes, but
yeah.
whatever, mostly is rude.
Yeah.
So
Come on.
yes, girls are because when we want to be rude, that's when we do whatever.
Do you know okay is rude?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just say
Okay.
okay.
Yes.
Nothing.
You say okay
But
to
then-
me, hey.
It's so rude. And
Oh.
I sent you a long message and you sent me LOL.
Low. Laugh at
Actually, I
love.
don't-
Lots of love.
No, it's not wrong. But
People
like,
don't really like.
I sent you
A
a
whole
whole
page.
page.
Then you write low.
Okay.
If you don't want to text, I don't want to text.
But you see,
L-
mostly
L-
when the guy sends it to the girl, they'll be like, oh, it's normal. But then deep down,
Yeah.
they'll
So-
flash.
Yes.
Fast.
And it doesn't matter how good we look, we are always pretty. We are always jealous of that pretty girl.
That one, yeah.
No girl wants to admit that somebody is nicer than you. That one there is gay. Because everybody's nice. Me, I'm nice. You can't
I'm
come
a
and tell
Jew.
me I'm nice.
Me, I'm a Jew.
I'm a beauty.
I'm a spec.
I like complimenting other girls.
No, yes, I'll compliment
yes.
you, but I'm a Jew.
Yes, that one there. Yeah,
You know there are some
1%.
girls that when they see people who are nice, they
Princess
compliment
line.
them.
Yes,
But there's
it's
some
true.
too will not. I'm just.
Oh,
But
me
then-
when I see you
I'll
and
tell
you are
you,
nice.
some-
Like,
yeah, I'll tell you.
yesterday like this, I felt I was looking so beautiful. When I met her, I was like, oh, the
You see,
but I'm still a Jew. I'm a spec.
That's
Actually,
Those
when sometimes girls don't want you to know that they are really like, I don't know, but they really like the compliment.
Yeah.
Sometimes they'll be like,
Yeah.
thank you, but when you go in,
It's like your crush has complimented
yeah, when
you.
your friends compliment, you be like, oh, thank you, give the straight.
Shit.
Hey, when you
When
go,
you go,
like,
like,
no,
down.
not even to your house, school.
When you turn,
When you turn and you turn back again to see if he's watching or not, be like, hey, this is
Mama made that one say.
Information.
Information will react you.
247.
Information will react you.
Yeah.
That's the
Also, girls lie. Never have I ever.
Oh, that one.
It's
Yeah,
true.
It's true.
Hey.
See, they've not done the thing before, but
But people are saying pressure. Auntie.
pressure.
Oh.
Pressure. True.
Hey.
and sometimes they've done it, they'll say they've not done it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one there. But then the lie there.
As girls want to look nice, they don't like sitting in the salon for long hours, even though when they know that when they are done with their hair,
Yeah, they'll be like, oh.
And then
When I'm ready,
Madam,
it
what's your
gets
problem?
long.
No, but when they are done,
Hey, that's when you
Okay.
see the snap times two. girls to be like, I don't know, but they know.
Yes.
Yes, they know. I don't know here is a term.
They know.
They know.
But be like, I don't know. I didn't know, but they know.
Yeah, they know. Shut up, they
Washada.
know.
Say
They know.
something.
Never mind.
Never mind.
That is
Hey! Oh God.
If you don't want to talk about, why did you raise it? Like,
Suspense, like
If anyone can
Yes.
I do
Yes.
that a lot. Like I pick my nose, like the depth
Inside, they'll be like
They'll be picking
okay,
them with
like,
their
Me-
teeth or
but
their
like
that's why I
that,
normally wear
like this. Let me
nails
see.
because
that inside,
this.
yeah, then they'll be moving it.
Like this.
and then smell our partner's clothes.
Yes.
Tell me the truth. Hey, me never.
Please, I'm just reading.
Okay, then let me
When they miss their partners and like their partner has given him
A hoodie or
like,
something.
Yes. I know
I'm
someone who didn't wash the dress she had their boyfriend in, like.
some of you.
We
Okay.
did.
Girls to spend more time in the washroom when they're going to see their boyfriend, like.
Sorry.
They wash everything.
What are you?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you going to show?
What are you
What are you going to show him?
I can't.
While we run down the stairs, sometimes for
Because-
fun, sometimes to avoid pain. When you're
A
not
better
in
form.
bra.
Like,
It's a better
hey, I'm supposed to hold it. Like,
Sometimes
hey.
you are trying to be like, I don't know the word they use for that thing. Like you are trying to be funny, like clean G or something like that.
Yeah.
When you're like descending the stairs, you be
Like,
that thing's happening, and then immediately you see somebody else, you're just like,
Yeah.
but yeah, that's girls for you. But me, I'm not part.
Please, your part.
girls are your boy.
And so when girls are late, it's mostly because we are like applying makeup and things. Like we are trying to look nice for you.
Hey, don't crush me.
Some of them wouldn't even notice. So, Masa.
Yes, you
Why
are.
you chaper?
The
Masa.
people when you say, oh, you are looking nice.
Oh,
Why is
that
she
Boys,
Now
learn
you-
how to say you are
now
looking
you've
nice.
Even the car door don't open for you. Sorry.
Boys, learn how to say you are looking nice, girls. Okay, it's not.
Yes.
No,
Oh.
you're free. No, you're free.
Now girls too, when they say it to you,
They'll be like,
But
thank
any
you.
though.
Money
But
too.
then it's
See my oh.
Let's say it's okay. The compliment thing. When someone compliments us, what we say, come on, stop it. What we really mean is
Oh.
keep on saying this.
Ah.
It's
But
so
some
true.
boys-
These are
Yeah.
so true.
Oh,
Stop it.
Oh,
Oh,
Say,
child.
so we're giant.
But the way you are.
Stop it.
Shy.
Oh, okay.
And
sure.
when someone asks if everything is fine, what we say is yeah, everything is fine.
But
What we
you know.
really mean is no, nothing is fine, nothing.
Ask us like Coco, yeah.
But
oh.
if you know that girl, you would
You know that
yeah,
something is really wrong with
really
them.
wrong.
Yeah, and wrong. And then last but not the least, I don't know if they have other ones that they want to say, but last but not the least, who is going to talk? Ella.
Yeah. When someone asks us why we bargain so much, what we say is that we are trying to save.
Yeah.
Is it true?
Hey, girls,
No.
Girls bargain.
We are not trying to
Let's
save.
say
Oh. It's not saving. No, we are going to
you
use to buy
like
something
bargaining.
else.
No,
The
not
thing
that.
that-
Like
Some
bargaining,
patrol
but then we are going to
farms,
use to buy something
No,
else.
sometimes
We actually have the money,
Money, but
but
we
we
pay.
just don't want to pay the exact
I know,
amount.
like,
Yes, that
like
one,
see,
yeah.
in Accra, I'll buy a shoe for like 20 cedis. And I'll come to Cape Coast. It's 50 cedis. Just expect
like,
me to buy 50 cedis. No.
And even with 20, even if the thing is 20, we try to bargain.
Yes, to
That's
so chapel
great.
2. 10
Not even
cedis.
two cry. If the person say that then the 70s, what at all are we doing with 3 cities? But we want to take the 3 cities from
Yeah,
the
yeah.
we
You
do.
might get them alone.
bargaining.
Yeah, don't talk about it.
And then-
That's something.
And then,
very
and then
nice
some
shoe.
people too, if they see that you dress nice, they want to add some. Because the last time I went to buy palm oil.
Yeah. It's
Small, hey, like this, oh, like this, 3 cities. You say, hey,
I
man,
remember when.
What do I say?
yeah,
Yes.
no, ah,
So
no,
Why chaper? Yes.
no,
Me fan geno.
why are you in my
True.
pocket? I know I'm man. Hey,
And school cake you.
hey,
It's a
ah,
life.
these people they are killing us with this thing. If you bargain, you come and tell us that Then.
And a girl will buy shoe for 20 cedis. Then
And
somebody
come and
will
no, and come and
100
say
cedis.
100 cedis. That one day. And where did you buy it? She'll be like, I bought it at
From
Payless.
this boutique.
Meanwhile, Payless cry not be there.
Please,
Many girls like to take screenshots of like clothes, shoes. They will not
yeah,
buy.
it's on their foot plate. I have
They are
When
not
they get the money, they'll buy.
No,
When we get the
no.
money, we'll buy.
Who buy?
and hairstyles. So I think this is where
Thank
we
you
bring
so
the
much for
video
watching Booze and Babes
to
and
an end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a baby to tell daddy to
Add
tell
our
mommy to
Instagram
tell.
handle.
Okay, so and follow us on all our social media platforms.
Platforms.
Okay, so follow me on Instagram as Stephanie_Fusua and then
At Emma Abna.
and then
I don't know.
I just go.
Ajua, I like.
yeah, Ajua I and then
At Mame, yeah, the Mame is MARHME.
that's on
yeah.
period.
And Betty_XX.
XX.
Hey, and follow
XX.
me on Snapchat at Efiakiki19.
And what's on for my
Snap
At
on.
Isiwa.
And then
What's Facebook?
Facebook.
Mommy. Underscore.
so you reset it down there so that you can follow them.
Make it, yeah.
What's the Facebook?
Underscore
Snapchat.
Yes.
01.
Betty_IX.
Okay, so if you can comment down below if you want to see them more often on this channel with Uni. So until we meet again, bye.